In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com 2026 tutorial for reports and team insights. Dashboards turn scattered board data into clear, visual insights so you can track progress, spot bottlenecks, and make decisions faster. We'll walk through creating one from scratch, then I'll show you exactly how to start shaping it into something your team can use right away. Begin by signing in to Monday.com and heading to your home area. This is your starting point and the easiest place to create new items tied to your workspace. Look to the left sidebar where your main workspace is listed. Beside that workspace name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. This is where Monday.com lets you add new elements, and it's the quickest path to a fresh dashboard. From the menu that appears, choose Dashboard. Dashboards are different from boards. A board holds day-to-day tasks and updates, while a dashboard brings information together from one or more boards to display high-level metrics. Selecting Dashboard will open a setup window, prompting you to give your dashboard a name. Enter a clear, descriptive name. Good names make dashboards easier to find and maintain later. For example, use something like Q2 Delivery Overview or Marketing Funnel KPIs instead of a vague title. If multiple teams will view it, consider adding the team or time period in the name to reduce confusion. Once you've named it, click Create Dashboard. Monday.com will generate a clean, empty canvas. This is where you'll edit and refine what you see. Think of it like arranging tiles on a wall. Use the Add Widget option to bring in visualizations such as charts, numbers, tables, calendars, or workload views. When a widget asks for data, connect the boards that hold the information you care about. You can select specific groups or columns so the widget focuses only on what matters. As you add widgets, apply filters to keep your view relevant. Narrow by status, assignee, or date to highlight active work and upcoming deadlines. Resize and drag widgets to create a logical layout, placing the most important insights near the top. Rename widget titles so anyone can understand them at a glance. If you track time-bound work, set the date range on applicable widgets to ensure the dashboard always reflects the current period. Keep it simple at first. Start with one clear goal, like tracking weekly deliverables or team workload. Once the essentials look right, you can expand with additional widgets. That's it. Your dashboard is created, and you're actively shaping it into a reliable source of truth for your team.